All right, guys. So for this YouTube video, I'm gonna talk about my trading strategy and how simple I keep it when looking for setups, when taking setups, and when holding my setups. All right. So first things first, when I'm looking for a trade, I only trade London session, pre-London, or just when London session begins. I'm not on the charts fucking every hour of the day or scanning my charts every hour of the day looking for a setup. I keep my rules to where I'm only looking for setups pre-London or during London. That way I can, get the London move and then get also the New York move the following day. So I like to think of it as like I get two sessions with momentum instead of just one, instead of just trading New York or whatever the case is for any other strategy. So you feel me? Just I look for my setups pre-London and I go through my watch list and I see something I like. I usually start on the weekly time frame and then work my way down. What do they call it? Top down analysis. So I start my weekly and I kind of really just like look at the current trend. So you could see like the overall trend is um going down. It's a downtrend. But the current trend, I think I got in on this candle right here. It was like a week, um it was a wicks on the weekly time frame. So I was like, bet I'm gonna look for buys, right? And this is actually one of the trades that I had made a previous YouTube video about, but I'm gonna just break it down again just to show you, how simple my strategy is. So I go down to my daily, mark up my resistance and then my support, right? And then I drop down to my 4 hour. And then this is where I found my setup. So it was this resistance right here. We broke above it and then we retested it with this wick right here. So in my video, I did say I was gonna place my trade and then go to sleep because it was like midnight already. And originally I wanted to go up to this level right here. But as I woke up, I kind of saw this rejection. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna keep my 3-to-1. And that's what I did. Um, so for my strategy, I don't mess with my trades. I don't put my SL to break even. I don't do a trailing stop. I literally just set my trade and let it hit TP or SL. So with this trade, it was like a perfect example, right? We came so close to my take profit. And usually, you might panic because you see this big candlestick going down. So you're like, fuck, I'm gonna just, move my stops to break even or trail it. All that extra shit, bro. You're just putting extra stress on yourself. That unnecessary stress that, I like to talk about. Like you don't need to do it. So, um, yeah, I just held this trade. As you see, if I would have put my SL at break even, it would have wicked me out and eventually hit my take profit. So yeah, just keep it simple, man. Just avoid the unnecessary stress and just follow your plan. So that's exactly what I did. I got in on this pin bar right here, placed my stop loss below it, and I got my 3-to-1. That's really what it is. Just, find whatever setup you want to take, place your SL, and then for me, I get 3 times my risk. There's a lot of, traders in the world who do their own thing and I don't know, they just like to think that there's only one way to trade or their way is the right way when, bro, there's so many ways to be profitable in this trading space. So I like to say whatever works for you, do it. Whatever works for me, I'm going to keep doing it. And this trading style is working well with me. Swing trading. I got my day job during the day, so get on the charts for a couple minutes, find my setup, and that's it. Stress free on the chart, stress free in real life, and just getting real results. So yeah, just do a little top down analysis, find a setup. This is my break and retest. Enter on the pin bar and hold to SL or TP. That's really it. Get three times your risk and just hold. Don't panic. Follow your plan, whatever it may be. I'm not going to tell you my way is the right way or their way is wrong or right. Just find what works for you and follow your plan. And eventually, that the numbers are going to start to work in your favor and you're going to start to see profits, start to get some withdrawals and past challenges, whatever your goal is. But, just stay disciplined and follow your plan. That's really it. So, if you want to learn, how I trade more in depth, you can DM me or comment on my videos if you have any questions or you want me to go through anything. Just let me know. I want to help as many traders as I can because shit, I've been there before. And yeah, so that's my trading style. If you like it, like my video, leave a comment. If you're new to this, subscribe. And I'm gonna just keep dropping value. Appreciate you guys.